Welcome students, myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav, and this is your next video, class 4th computer, chapter 1 computer hardware, and today's topic is output devices. Okay, in our previous video I had described about computer hardware and input devices in detail. More the input devices like scanner, keyboard, mouse, touchpad, joysticks, 3D scanners, many more input devices I had already described in our previous video. Okay, now today our topic is output device. What? Output device, a device that shows or display the result or output after processing is termed as output device. Means when we have given any information, any instructions in the form of input to the computer, then computer take that input and process that input, and when the processing is completed, then computer shown the result. And the device that help us to display or show the result is termed as a output device. Okay, the device that shows or displays the results or output after processing is termed as output device. Now some common output devices are there. First is a monitor. It is very common output device that shows the output on screen. It displays output in the form of text, pictures, videos and animations. Okay, it is also known as a VDU. VDU means visual display unit. Very common output devices. I think all of you also seen in your computer lab. Most of also have at your home. Okay, next is a speaker. It is also a very important output device that shows the output in the form of sound. Okay, if you want to hear a song from a computer, then you use the speaker. Okay, printer. It helps us to print output on a paper in the form of text and pictures. Okay, if you type something on a computer, you can draw something images on a computer and you want to take a printout of this, then you uses the printer. So most common printers available in these days are inkjet printers and laser printers. Next is a projector. It also helps us to show visual output onto a big screen. This is done so that a number of people can view it at the same time. Using a monitor, only 2 or 3 persons can see anything on a computer screen easily. But using the projector, number of people can view very easily on a screen at the same time. So projectors are also used in our class. Also Tata class is smart class, that is also have a projector. On that big screen we have display our lessons or our subjects, and whole the class can view easily. In most of you also seen in wedding ceremony also uses projector to show the wedding ceremony to everyone from anywhere. Next is a plotter. It helps us to print large drawings, maps, banners, hoardings on big sheets of paper. Okay, if you want to take a printout in a big sheet, then you uses the plotter. In roadside when you are going, then you see in a various types of banners are also displayed for advertisement. That banners or hoardings are printed using the plotters. Next is a headphone. It is also give the sound output. We can wear them on our ears and listen music everywhere without causing any disturbance to others. What is the difference between a speaker and headphone? So both are the output devices and that gives the output in the form of sound, but speaker give the output in the form of sound to all of them. Means if in our computer lab we are using a speaker and any one students want to listen music, when he was playing that music, then all that whole class are listen that music. That is creating a disturbance to all the students. But using headphones, we can wear them and listen the music without causing any disturbance to others. Okay, now different forms of output. Two types of output are there. One is a hard copy output and second one is a soft copy output. Hard copy output means when output printed on a paper is termed as hard copy output, and when output is shown by the monitor in visual form or sound given by the speaker in the form of sound, it is termed as a soft copy output. Soft copy, what is that? When the output is given by the monitor, shown by the monitor in visual form, or sound output given by the speaker is termed as a soft copy output. And hard copy output means when an output printed on a paper is termed as a hard copy output. These are the examples of output devices. Pictures are there: monitor, printer, and this is a speaker, headphone, and projectors. Okay, so now I will repeat this for you once again. Chapter 1, computer hardware, output devices. Now output device, the device that shows or display the result or output after processing is termed as output device. Some common output device are monitor. It is a computer screen that shows the results in the form of text, pictures, videos, or animations. The speaker is also a type of output that give the sound output. Printer also output device, help us to take a printout on a paper, then it in the form of text or pictures. Projector also helps to show the output in the visual form onto a big screen so that a number of people can view it at the same time easily. Plotter also helps to print large drawings, maps, and hoarding banners. Okay, then we use the plotters. Headphones also give the sound output. We can wear them on our ears and listen music everywhere without causing any disturbance to others. And hard copy and soft copy is when output given by a printer, it is termed as a hard copy, and when output shown by a monitor, when output given by a speaker, then it is termed as a soft copy output. And these are the pictures of that output devices also given on your book: monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projectors. Okay.